So, today marks my 25th upload in a row. And by in a row, I mean weekdays only. I didn't do any uploads on the weekends, which saved my bacon. And this was kind of a social experiment for me. At the beginning of the month, I logged into the old YouTubes to see how everything was doing, and I had been hemorrhaging subscribers. I went from a maximum of like 12,800 all the way down to dipping into the 11,000s. And that was kind of the catalyst for me starting to upload more. Now, there's a couple of issues with my channel. One being its age. I started it before YouTube was owned by Google, which is a problem in and of itself. YouTube tends to shelve those channels. It doesn't matter what the content is or how good it is or what you're doing. Even if you're uploading every day, it kind of backshelves your stuff just because of the channel. Like if I was to create a new channel, I'd probably do a lot better, but I'm stubborn and it's already here, and my YouTube channel is pretty much a running log of my life for my kid anyway after I'm long gone, if he's interested to see what I was doing before he was born. So that's really all my YouTube channel is, and that leads me to another reason why I believe my YouTube channel doesn't get much traction, and that is because I am all over the place. I don't have like a specific theme or 100% vlog style or just car content. I have travel videos, I have building a trailer, I have going camping, I have car content, I have how-to videos, I have just life videos. And so I don't think that YouTube likes that either, and subscribers don't understand what I'm going to be uploading next, and so it's very hard to look forward to. Add on to that the fact that I upload maybe once a month or once every couple of months, and that equaled not good. So in my social experiment, I told myself I would post every weekday for basically a month and see how it went. And I did. 5 days in a row posting, 2 days off. 5 days in a row posting, 2 days off. 5 days in a row posting, 2 days off. And on top of that, I brought back Scotch and a Beer, which take a lot of time to edit, put together, find all of the facts, find all of the stories, find all of the pictures and videos and anything else that goes along with all of that stuff, and then upload them. Pretty much every video that I posted for the past 4 years I didn't do Scotch and a Beer was like, hey, when's the next Scotch and a Beer coming out? So at least I did something that people enjoyed, and all that was is just going over all the mistakes I made in Formula D in general. I'm glad I'm getting back into them. I want to get all the way up through at least finishing Formula D, and I'm on part 2 of FD Texas, and then there's Irwindale, and then Pro 2 in 2015, and then the existential crisis of not being a professional driver any longer after that. So there's a lot of stuff that's happened post doing Formula D. I don't know if I'll continue into that, but who knows? Maybe if I can keep this thing going, I will. It's been difficult because I don't want to make content for the sake of making content, and I've found that I've had to do that a few times doing this. The S13 was the main focus of doing all of these videos, and it kind of worked. It gave me an overarching theme. It allowed people to tune in to see what I was doing on it. I think it didn't drive a lot of subscriptions. The Horse Thief Mile video, by far, I put $100 towards that in advertising, and it's at like 24,000 views and has driven like almost all of the subscribers, so like 4,000 something subscribers. So thank you to anybody that subscribed based off of that video, or based off of Scotch and Beers, or wherever you came from. I went from basically being at 12,000 even to 17,300, I think, as of the time of doing this video. And this would be upload number 25. I'm trying to do this all in one take so I don't have to edit it, so I can just straight up upload it from my phone. But it's been an interesting one. Most of my videos are still sub 500 views. Some of them are over 1,000, and just the horse thief one is well over 20,000. 1 out of 25 videos made it. I made $120 something in revenue, which paid for the $100 I threw at the horse thief mile video, which is sick. So basically that was free. I don't know if I'm going to keep going. I'm definitely going to keep going with the Scotch and a Beer. I do have a lot more stuff to do on the S13. I do have a ton of other projects that I could showcase, but again, it's, do I have time to film and do those at the same time? I don't know. It's a lot of effort, and I just kind of wanted to see where it would go. And without advertising, I don't think I'd be at 5,000 something subscribers. So again, thank you to anybody that has tuned in. I will do my best to keep these going. I don't know if it's going to be as religious as it's been for this month-long experiment, but it was kind of worth checking out and taking a deep dive into why I did this in the first place. But yeah, I'll try to keep the content train rolling at least once a week with Scotch and a Beer, and or if I am working on a car, I'll probably pop out a video. I got pretty decently good at it, making it quick, basically shooting to edit. And that's just the update. I'm not begging for subscribers. I'm not asking for people to watch. The Japan video that I put the most effort into out of all of the other videos did the absolute worst out of any of my videos, so obviously I didn't do something right there, and that's okay. Just kind of experimenting around. That one was a major flop. I think it just crossed 100 views after being up all weekend, being posted on a Friday. So I'm going to upload this video, see how it goes, and I'm actually driving back from Phoenix right now. I just picked up a car that I bought back in 2021, and I have a whole story about my life in Subarus and why I'm into that and why that kind of got me into cars written. And now that I have this, I can actually film that. So that'll probably be my upload for tomorrow. Again, I'm kind of reaching for content because I don't have anything to work on right now, and I'm not just gonna be like, hey, this is me driving a forklift today and picking stuff up and putting it down. So thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart for tuning in, liking, sharing, subscribing, especially all the new guys that are here. Kind of old school. I don't fluff the videos. I don't make them interesting. I don't have a hook. I don't do anything that you're supposed to do on YouTube. I don't even have an intro. Usually I just splay all my videos out on a timeline and cut them into 15-minute segments and then upload them. Like there's no in, there's no out. It's just what I'm doing and then it ends. So yeah, appreciate every view. Thank you guys, and I'll try to keep the train going. Peace.